Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create and set up your online store on Shopify completely on your mobile phone. I'm going to be showing you how you can add products, customize your store, etc. And on top of that guys, you can get a full plan on Shopify for 3 months paying only $1 a month. So if you want access to this limited offer, check the description box below and you will find a link that will take you right there. So let's get started with the video. The first thing you want to do is that you want to download the Shopify app from App Store or your Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, you want to open it up and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply use the same application to create one. Once you've signed into your account, it will show you the stores that you currently have. Also, you will see a plus in green that allows you to create a new store. So we're going to be creating a store right now. Go ahead and press on the plus. It's going to ask you what your store name is going to be. So choose the name of the store that you want to create. I'm going to be choosing Store Example just for this video. Once your store is created, it's going to ask you a small survey to help you set up your store. You can go ahead and answer all of these questions based on the type of store that you want to create. It's going to ask you where would you like to sell. So the open online store is going to be included in the plan automatically. You can also select social media or online marketplace, choose what you find suitable and then hit next. For the social channels, I'm going to be choosing Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, or maybe just Facebook and TikTok. Do you want to sell products through dropshipping? Press yes. And then it's going to ask you where your business is located. So choose where you want your business to be located because it's going to be affected with the tax and how all of the payments work. So choose based on that. After that, your store will be created and you will be guided to a bunch of store information. So what we can do here to set up our store is that you can hit the tab that says store and then that will take you to the settings. And from there, you can open up the store details and then you can edit your store details, the name, for example, the country if you chose the wrong one, if that changed, and you can choose the currency that you will be using on your store. After that, we're going to go back to the store and select the plan. You can see what kind of plan you have. So I currently have the starter trial and it's going to end in 3 days. What I'm going to be doing afterwards is that I'm going to be using the offer where I can pay $1 for 1 month for 3 months, which you can also get if you click on the link in the description below. It's for limited time only, so make sure you grab it while you can. After that, click on payments so that you can set up your payment method and your payout method. So PayPal is available, obviously. You can connect your account and then whenever you have to pay for something like a subscription, or if you get an order, you can simply get the payout on PayPal. After that, you want to go back to the settings again. You can check the languages tab if you want. Actually, on this app, you can set your store in different languages, so the feature is finally here. And the next thing we want to talk about is basically how you can add a product. So in order to add a product, you want to click on the products tab. And then from there, it will show you a tab where it says product title. So for example, I'm going to choose a hoodie. And then for the description, you can choose whatever description you want for that product. You can select a price for it. And then you can add a style, for example, sizes, colors. So everything you need to customize about your product. And once it's done, just click on done. And then you can see your products in the recently updated products and you can check it out, make sure everything's all right. And just like that, you can add a product into your store. So after you've added your products, you can go ahead and manage your orders. Through this tab, you can create a specific order on one of the products, view the different tags on it, and even add a note. So with that, we'll have reached the end of this video. Hopefully you've known a little bit on how you can create your store and set it up with the Shopify store on your mobile phone. If you found today's video helpful or enjoyable to watch, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.